Good morning, student. This is the science class of the same chapter, and the chapter is about to end. And this is the last topic of this chapter: effective safety measures. The first is safety services towards cyclone and other disaster by government and other agencies. Cyclone forecast and warning services. The development of the development and movement of cyclones is studied with the help of INSAT satellite and a series of cyclone detected radars installed along the coastal belt of India. With the help of this modern technology, a cyclone alert is issued within 48 hours in advance. The meteorological department is responsible for circulating warning about the forthcoming dangerous weather conditions. Warning is issued to minimize the damages. This is the second part, and it is written first. Typing mistake it is. So, safety services by the government providing information about a cyclone and warning people, fishermen, ships, ports, airlines, and various government agencies. Fishermen should not venture into the sea during a cyclone warning. Construction of cyclone shelters in the cyclone prone area, shifting the people quickly to a safer place, delivering accurate and effective cyclone forecasts and warning. The next is action on the part of people. Pay attention towards warning broadcasts from time to time. In case of cyclone warning, stock necessary food items and medicines. Do not stand near metallic objects or near an open window. Help the rescue team. Avoid contact with wet electric lines and switches because they may conduct electricity. Avoid going in the flood water and be careful of snake bites. Keep emergency phone numbers of police, ambulance, and fire brigade handy. Do not take shelter under the trees because they may get uprooted due to strong winds. Keep extra torch light because electricity may get disconnected. This is the last topic of this chapter, and in the next class we will discuss the question answer of this chapter, wind, storm, and cyclone. So that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day, everyone.